As I see it, there are three major things that has to be removed to reach the perfect future. The first is money. Yeah, that's right, money.
What?
Yoink. The next thing is politics.
What?
You want to get a cup of coffee?
Sure.
And the final thing is religion.
What?
I have no notion of a perfect future. I'm not a utopian or some humanist that wants everyone to hug and be happy. But I do know that if we don't start making changes, it will end up being the end. For all of us.
What?